friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making baked chicken tenders without breading. So those are very healthy, keto, gluten-free, low-carb chicken tenders. So for this easy recipe, we need chicken tenders, seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, paprika, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil. It's totally optional, just makes them more juicy. So if you want to omit the oil, just leave it out. And before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So now I'm going to season the chicken tenders and put them on a baking sheet and bake. So let's season the chicken tenders. So let me sprinkle them with seasonings. And I'll drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil. And now I'm going to flip them over and season the other side. So I'm going to rub in the seasonings, flip over. And season again. Rub them on both sides to get oil seasoning all over. And now, once you season them, let's put them in a baking sheet. And now they're ready for baking. So I'm going to put them in the oven and bake. So now the chicken tenders have been baking for 20 minutes and they're ready. So it's 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. They look amazing. Perfectly cooked. So let's check the internal temperature just in case, because all ovens are different. It has to be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, so it's over 165. They're perfectly cooked inside and it's ready. This is a perfect easy dinner and they're so healthy too. So nicely browned and no breading needed. Just remove them to the plate. Perfect. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. You just cut it so you see that it's cooked inside and it's super tender, cuts really easily, perfectly cooked inside. Delicious. They're so juicy and tender. You will love them. Perfectly seasoned tender meat. Delicious. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!